Howdy guys, figured I'd show you one of these brand new drive lines, what they look like. Looks like my guys threw some paint on it, rattle canned it a little bit, and here's the old one. So the old ones, I mean that one lasted 500,000, but it was a little sketchy by that. We're shooting for about 450 now. 400, 450 is where we're gonna want to install a whole assembly. Is it much cheaper, or excuse me, is it much more money? Not really. But the time you save and the peace of mind is quite a bit. I think to rebuild it, I think it's going to cost us up towards 450 or 475. So that's new U-joints. I can't talk, man. It's Saturday. Should be home chilling. Carrier bearing, you know, rebalancing everything. I'm just saying, for 450, I could rebalance it, change all the U-joints, do a carrier bearing, parts, labor, and everything, versus I think these are 650, all brand new. And the problem lies are in the splines. I think by that mileage the splines get a little worn out, so there's going to be a little swift kick when you come to a complete stop. So this is my choice. Highly prefer this, but we've been in a couple pickles now where we had to take care of a U-joint. Wherever the U-joint, the issue lied, we'll take care of it, and then we'll just do that, send it on its way. But looks like we're starting to get these units in one by one, and we'll get them changed out. This is the old one for anyone curious what the heck it is, and you have access to Google it or see who you can get the supplier. But it's definitely a Mopar part. You have the little logo there. Yeah, just a little bit of paint makes it look a lot nicer. Anyways, boys, I just sharing with you. That's all we're doing here. We're just sharing. God bless you. Bye.